Okay, bear. Here we go.
I think this was it. This?
Yeah. Yeah.
Or this?
Yeah. It was like that.
Stay here, don't leave. How deep is your love?
Is it like the ocean? All right. Thank you. And that was Christian.
Whatever feels natural.
Okay, in the truck.
In the truck. All right, and y'all are good to go.
Oh, we're gonna be talking and I'm gonna say the line.
In a backseat. So cute. Okay, now get a video of me and Christian.
Cheers.
Ready?
Skipping rocks, everybody. Yeah.
I think that's how you do it. Oh, I'm so like zoomed in. Yeah. Get more footage. It's so zoomed in.
Leave.
Wow.
Stay here, don't leave.
Don't leave. Okay. Hey, Val.
Screen time for Gabby.
Well, I got screen time on the camera.
Guest story.
This is the lake. Let me give you a tour of our hangout spot. This is it.
You disappeared.
Oh man.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
All right, give it back.
Zoom in on Seth.
Back it up.
Okay, hillbilly. I'm coming home again. Do you think about me now and then? Go Fisher. Okay.
The sun is right behind you.
Is it like right behind
Oh
you?
yes, this is good. It's
Hi.
like shining by
We're
your
in the
neck.
back of a truck.
We in the truck.
We in the truck. Oh, dude.
You want to switch?
Switch?
Yeah.
Okay. Is he singing Blue? Yeah. We're recording.
Hey guys, we're on the bridge. And we have... Sick.
Oh, no, I'm not.
Great.
Wait, I want to take a picture of that.